So welcome back again on the channel, guys. Today we are going to look at episode 2 of Kenya Planned Poverty. And today, guys, we are going to look in sector of transport. Mnajua very well there is 4 classification. There is railway, there is air, there is water, there is road. So we are not going to talk about loans. We are not going to talk about air, water. We are going to talk about railways, because here in Kenya we are very far high. We are very far high, and we must have been. We have to have kept. We have to have a capable transport system, modified modern transport system. Public transport, tunafaa kuwa na transport mzuri so that we can manage and decongest our roads. But guys, we have a problem. When I say there's a planned poverty in Kenya, I always talk about things that zinakuwa zimeweka barrier kwa development yetu. That's why tutaishi kukua kwa poverty hata kama tuko na uwezo ya kufanya hiyo kitu. Yeah, we have strength, we have power to do that thing, but kuna barrier katikati. There is barrier in between development and the poverty. So let's talk about railway. In America or on developed countries, they have a modern travel system, public transport system, and we have this in the current. We came by loan. By loan we have BRT, which I will talk about it in another day, and we have railways like SGA. Okay, in America they have things like metro and gauge railway. There are subways, electric trains, there are metros. There's napitanga hata kwa sete ndani CBD. And in Kenya we don't have those things, but we have a SGR. We have SGR. So SGR ni yenye inafaa ilete mzigo kutoka kwa Mombasa port mpaka Nairobi, then in a proceed to Naivasha, which another thing it is proceeding to go. It is supposed to be constructed to Malaba, ingia Uganda. So what I'm saying is, when we talk about public transport, tunafaa tuangalie sector zote. Like, let's talk about the meet and gauge railway, which is supposed to be constructed along from Nairobi CBD to Ngong in Kajiado County. So this railway is supposed to pass from CBD to Ngong Road, Ngong Road. From Ngong Road, it is supposed to pass through Karen roundabout. Karen, then it's supposed to go to Karapo, and then it's supposed to launch through greener part of Karen, and then iende imalizie Ngong town. That is the meet and gauge railway, not SGR, meter gauge railway. Yeah. So when I say planned poverty, I mean kuna watu wako hapa wanasema hiyo railway ifaa ijengwe, inafaa ipite kwingine ama iache kujengwa, watu waendelee kutumia barabara. What are we saying? What are these people saying? Why have they broken the development of railway that is going to congest from town CBD to Ngong Road, which we have a lot of travelers, we have a lot of loan users. So we are trying to decongest Ngong Road and Highway and Mombasa Road. But the richest, the poverty planners are saying, let's stop this. They are even going to court. They are even going to court to block it. What are these people saying? Why are they blocking the environment? Number one, when this meet and gauge railway is constructed, people will be fending from Nairobi town to Ngong, through Karen and Kawangware. So it's going to decongest the road. But the riches are saying, no, don't construct it. It will destroy the climate, it will destroy the environment, it will destroy the face of Karen. And I'm asking myself, why? How is it going to destroy indecent development? How are you going to decongest our roads?
Rwanda and South Sudan.
So they want us to stop the development, and then it remain like that. People will be using matatus, and we are here saying that we are going to fight climate change. How are we going to change the climate change if we are not going to
at the end of this month?
use
take you back to the old railway and compare it with the new shiny one. Let's start from the beginning. The old meter gauge railway was constructed in the 1800s and took over 5 years to be completed. The new train has taken 2.5 years to finish.
How are we going to do it?
The British Empire used approximately $5 million to construct Kenya's
How is it going to happen?
The Chinese, on the other hand,
you know what?
3/4 of the mega modern
Kama
railway using approximately $2.8 billion so far.
Tunafaa tupunguze matatu kwa barabara. You know that.
Although the old trains could drive at a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour, it went slower than that.
Have you heard that?
The new train is blazing at a speed of 120
Even court has blocked it. Imagine how court is blocking the development, that they say no, stop constructing the railway. Why is it
could only make a one-way trip
blocking the development? Why? But
people can now travel in the new train,
asking tonight, why has it blocking the environment? Because they have cars. What about those people who don't have cars? How are they going to access from Nairobi to Ngong? And they need modern travel systems in Kenya. Let me say this before I conclude.
The new train will employ up to 60,000
here in Kenya,
way over the 32,000
the richest
employees
don't want us poor to benefit. But I'm saying this, let this railway get constructed. It will help. We can plant trees again. We can plant and divert even the river until Bingold. But what about the system of transport? We need modern transport. We need it. So when you stand and say, you know what? No. Stop doing this and saying like, you know what? Stop saying we are not going to.
It took over 5 years to be completed.
We are not going to
years to finish. The British Empire used approximately $5 million to
our green parts of current to construct it. Let me tell the government, let's construct this railway station, this meter and gauge railway to help the poor, because this thing is going to help the poor, not the richest. So I hope you understand me. For today, I will check you on the next video. See you on the next video. I love you guys. Subscribe.